Let's explore the 3 areas of the feedback loop. Ask open-ended questions. Open-ended questions drive children's conceptual thinking and stimulate their use of language as they articulate their responses. There are 3 categories of open-ended questions that create a question trail. The question trail guides thinking and conversation from fact-finding to higher-order conceptual thinking. Inform. Information questions focus on details about who, what, when, and where. Teachers rely heavily on these questions because they test students' knowledge about what they have learned. These questions should be used as a conversation starting point and not an end point because they don't drive conceptual development as deeply as the other 2 categories do. Analyze. In the analyzing category, how and why questions help students build children's analytic skills because they require students to generate explanations for what they have learned, observed, or experienced. Brainstorm. The highest category of questioning, brainstorm, is the type of question that really pushes children's conceptual development because it allows them to tap into their creativity. These questions ask children to imagine hypothetical situations. Instead of just gathering facts or understanding the process, these questions force children to speculate about models or explore possibilities. Actively listen. As a teacher, your goal is to empower children to become better communicators with their peers in the classroom. The teacher's job is to listen to what the children are saying. A good rule of thumb is to silently count to 5 before interjecting into the dialogue. Waiting 5 seconds allows you to do one of 2 things. 1, the child may continue on to say something else, which means you will get even more information about what the child is thinking and feeling. Or 2, you may have time to think more deeply about what the child has said, which will help you to provide a better response. Think about this. Do you usually wait sufficient time for students to answer a question? Mirror. Mirroring is an essential part of the feedback loop because it lets the person know you understand what they are saying. Think about a conversation that you have had or observed when someone misunderstood the point. A sign of their misunderstanding could be they did not mirror or reflect back by repeating or rephrasing what was said or by asking a clarifying question. Mirroring is especially important to do with young children because sometimes children may not know the exact word or phrase to describe what they are thinking.